I knew little about timber and hardware. I didn't know what a bit of 4x2 was. So it was a bit of a gamble. Opened on the 2nd of June 1979. And the first Saturday morning we took $250 and we thought it was Christmas. I like people, I like dealing with people. You just try and help people as much as you can.
A lot of us enjoy that, helping people out. People come to us with a problem and we're basically problem solvers.
I'm a carpenter by trade. I'm in there pretty much weekly. If you ever go in there, it's always pretty easy to sort out what you need to do because they're pretty helpful. Well, they sponsor sides like us, and then if we didn't have sponsors, we probably wouldn't be able to run out and play footy and have the fun that we do.
The beauty of the place is you get to know everybody, and it's a country community. Everyone knows me by name, everyone knows Norm by name. Most of the staff are known by name.
We've got staff members that have worked with us over the years, like Ted Budge and Roy. People just assume that they're the owners because they treat the business like it's their own.
Oh, Roy was a bit of a legend. Unfortunately, he passed away recently, and we ended up having his coffin taken to the cemetery on the back of one of our trucks.
And the coffin was painted Mitre 10 blue, and we couldn't be prouder to see him say goodbye that kind of way. It's as much our store as all the people that work there, and it's a community store. The store's for everybody.
The community was growing and we grew with the community and we're part of the community.
It's more than just business, it's family.